something that comes up quite a lot and something that people are really struggling with is getting images from Google Drive and passing them on as attachments into Airtable. And Google doesn't really make it easy for us because it's not giving us public URLs that we can grab and pass them on. So let me show you what I mean. I'm gonna go and do a search in Google Drive, and I've just hard-coded a image that I have in there, and I'll just gonna click execute, which is fine. I'm getting my file ID and everything. The interesting thing is when I add my Airtable record, and that can be create a record, update a record, it doesn't matter what it is, but now I have only two things to work with. I have the file ID and I have the name ID. So my first thought is, okay, I'll just put the file ID in here and this will pass it on to Airtable and attach it to my attachment field. However, when I execute, I get an error, which is super annoying. All right, well, maybe the name will work. So we're gonna put the name and we're going to execute, and again it throws an error. And that's all my options right now. Like, I have no other option available to me. So what we need to do is create our own public URL. And this is what I have for you guys. So this is an array expression that actually creates this URL. Not creates, but we are hard coding it. But it's like https column / drive.google.com / uc question mark export equals view and ID equals, and all that gets wrapped into quotation marks. So you can either take a screenshot and use it, or if you're in my community, I will put this expression under the video. And then the only other thing is we put a plus sign and we map out the JSON ID in here. So if I remove this JSON ID from here, you see now it's not working and it tells me that it's invalid syntax. So if I just grab it, and that's in case you have something else that is not a JSON ID. And when I drop it in here, it's perfect. So with this expression now that we have a proper URL, now we can actually send our image file into Airtable. And now if I click execute, you will see that now my output is working. And when I go into Airtable and I'm going to refresh it, and now I have my image file uploaded in here as an attachment, and now I can work with it. And I don't know why Google makes it so hard, but this is the best way I have found so far to do it. If you guys have found a better way than me, please comment below this video and let me know if there's a different way, but this is the only way I have found that works for me.